Hello everyone, let's install DeepSeek locally on a low-end PC. So type Ollama on Google, then go to the first link and you can see there is a download for Windows and click on download for Windows option and wait until the Ollama get downloads. So it will take time. Also there are another application we need called it as ChatBOX. So type ChatBOX download on Google and download the app called ChatBOX. Click on the pre-download and wait until the download get finished. So it will depend on your internet speed. So let's wait until the download finishes. And here on the Ollama page, type DeepSeek R1, and there are see different version of DeepSeek, and I am going to install the 1.5 billion runtime version of DeepSeek. So click on the 1.5, click on the copy. There is a command called as Ollama run DeepSeek R1 1.5b and copy that command. Once the download is completed, install first Ollama and ChatBox both the app or both the software. So let's first install the Ollama. The installation of Ollama will take few minutes and install the app called ChatBox. Okay, click next and install. So this app called ChatBox will give the interface like ChatGPT, and Ollama will going to install the DeepSeek R1 locally. So please wait until the Ollama installation get finished. Okay, so once the Ollama got installed, open the command prompt and type the following command that already copied or that shown in the screen. Just wait. So open the command prompt and paste the link, paste the command, sorry, and please wait until it get downloads. So the download time will depends on the internet speed. The file size is almost 1.5 gigabyte. So please wait. So once the download completed, it will going to install the DeepSeek R1 locally. So once the installation complete, you will see a command called run or type any message. So installation successful. You can type any message here now. Type anything and DeepSeek will going to answer it without internet connection, or it will run basically locally. So yeah, DeepSeek is working. Now how you'll get the interface like ChatGPT? So for that case, you have to open the ChatBox app. So here you can see the DeepSeek is working basically. So okay, that's fine. Now open the ChatBox app. Let's close it and open the ChatBox. And for the use of ChatBOX, your Ollama app must be running in the background. Click on the settings, click on the Ollama API. Then this link will remain same. Click on the DeepSeek R1 1.5 billion, click on save. Now click on new chat and you can type anything and it will going to answer like ChatGPT, or you can basically get the DeepSeek R1 locally. So as you can see it's working, that means DeepSeek is installed locally. Thank you.